Safety helmets or hard hats. Both are designed to protect against concussions, cuts, and bruises. If you choose a hard hat, proper assembly is crucial to ensure that it provides the maximum protection. Make sure the inside suspension and shell are included. Inspect the parts of the hard hat, including any attachments that are included. Flip over the shell and install the inside suspension by applying the tabs in the suspension lugs.
Loud noises can make you lose your hearing, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. The good news is, it's easy to protect your ears. Move away from loud noises. Turn the volume down. And when you want to be somewhere loud, plugs are easy to use. Just roll, pull, and hold, but keep the harmful volume out. So now you can enjoy the show.
We're going to talk about how proper fit can ensure that you are fully protected. Manufacturer, we understand that not everybody's face shapes and sizes are the same. During our product development process, we take all of this into consideration, and we've developed multiple frame styles for different face shapes and sizes.